Hello friends, welcome to my channel MS IELTS classes. In today's video, I will tell you and help you to increase your vocabulary, which will really gonna help you to improve your band score in writing as well as speaking, and also you guys use these words in your daily life. So guys, first of all, if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the notification bell for more videos. Also guys, if you find this video helpful, so please hit the like button and don't forget to comment on the video. So in today's video I will tell you some educational vocabulary. So let's look at the first one. Graduate. To complete a first university degree successfully. This is the meaning of graduate, and now I will describe it a little bit more. I graduated from the University of Salford in 2009, and my graduation ceremony was in 2009. You can say it like this. And the next one is curriculum. The group of subject studied in a school, college, etc. A school must ensure they have an excellent curriculum. These are some examples of this word. Then number 3, qualification. An official record showing that you have finished a training course or have the necessary skill, etc. Next word is good. Qualifications are really important if you want to get a well-paid job, and you can use it like this: I am qualified to teach English. Coursework. Regular work done by students as part of a course, but assessed independently of formal exams. You can use this word like the coursework on my degree was really difficult. Next one is co-educational. When male and female students are taught together in the same school or college rather than separately. Co-educational schools prepare students for their future better than single-sex school. Next one will be literacy. The ability to read and write. Literacy rate have declined considerably in West countries over the last decade. However, most children are literate. And the next one is illiterate. Unable to read and write. Many children in the poorest countries are illiterate. Primary education. First year of formal education from 5 to 11. A good primary education is crucial development. Secondary education. Education during the time as a teenager. I loved it at my secondary school as I had so many friends. Higher education. Non-compulsory education after finishing school, such as university as well as vocational education and training at colleges. 60% of children now go into higher education after they finish school. Concentrate. To direct your attention or your efforts towards a particular activity, subject or problem. It is difficult to concentrate on my work if there is a lot of noise. I keep losing concentration due to the noise. These are some words which you can use and grab higher band score in IELTS speaking as well as IELTS writing. So guys, if you find this video helpful, so please hit the like button and don't forget to comment on the video. Thanks for watching guys.